So we get this question all the time. Should I stretch? Or, hey, can you give me some stretches because it feels good, or I feel like that's what I need? And so one of the first reactions that we have inside is like, don't stretch. You may not need that. Because the thing is, people like to stretch. They kind of feel like that's what they want to do. And for some reason, that's just become kind of culturally what we do when we're injured. We just want to find a way to like stretch or roll it out or something like that. When in reality, that a lot of times that tightness might be the body responding to whatever is actually going on. And it has nothing to do with those muscles that feel tight. It's more like the joint's irritated, or the disc is a little irritated, or those ligaments are a little irritated. And that irritation is causing those muscles to shut down, or some muscles to shut down, and other ones to do too much. So when a lot of times when you'll ask, like, should I stretch? We might go like, yeah, maybe not. And then we'll actually kind of direct you into, well, how do we get your pain down? How do we turn those quiet muscles back on? And in doing so, those tight muscles should be resolving and feeling better. So you may not even need to stretch. So instead of just defaulting to stretch, think about, well, why is that thing tight? And why is it actually tight? Muscles are dumb. They do what they're told. So if the nervous system says hold, they'll hold. We got to get that nervous system to relax, restore balance, restore normal, get your pain down, get your function back.